संख्या से भारी बहुमत से इतिहास में नहीं देखा हो जोगेश्वरी में, उस इतिहास को आपको बनाना है।
We're in the Jogeshwari East part of Mumbai, and on the campaign trail with us is Member of Parliament and Shiv Sena UPT leader Priyanka Chaturvedi. Priyanka Chaturvedi, first and foremost, how is the campaign going? What do you think will be the big issue in this entire Maharashtra election?
I think the biggest issue continues to be the same issue that Maharashtra has been talking about, which is that of how these people who were given everything chose to betray the party and break away the party. So that is one big emotive issue which you would have probably seen today. That is one, but there are many other issues that affect us. The corruption, the loot, and the amount of money that is being spent on their own image makeover is unfortunate at the expense of Maharashtra taxpayers' money. We are seeing betrayal in terms of how youth are being jobless. You must be seeing how the soybean and cotton farmers are also being upset. So we are stepping in and we are saying this is what we are going to do, and these are going to be our guarantees, not Mahajhuti Gathbandhan's jumla.
You also raised the issue of Mr. Uddhav Thakere's chopper being checked. Now the BJP election commissioner is saying, look, it's not only Mr. Uddhav Thakere but several top BJP leaders including Amit Shah's choppers have been checked as well. What would you say to that?
Can I just tell you one thing? Whenever election commission does something like this, they always carry a videographer with them. If there is such image of Mr. Amit Shah, his bag being checked, please share it. Prove us wrong. If you saw yesterday, we had one after the other Mahajhuti Gathbandhan's alliance partners tweeting how their bags were checked. Some came with media cameras and everything. So it just goes to show they're trying to do damage control. But they're badly exposed.
They have put out some videos though, of Mr. Gadkari, of Mr. Amit Shah, the Lok Sabha election. They put out some tweets.
No, I'm not talking about Lok Sabha elections. Let's talk this election. This election is one of the most penultimate election. So let's talk about that. This is like wrong comparison. Oh, look, it happened in the Lok Sabha. I'm asking you that a videographer goes with you. If Amit Shah's bags have been checked, let the video be released by the Election Commission of India. But we are seeing a lot of videos being released now in a synchronized manner, and there seems to be a competition that mera bag check karo, mera bag check karo. But Uddhav ji's bag has been checked thrice over. Probably in the coming 3-4 days it will be checked by 4 times over. That's why I said probably Uddhav ji, after the election is over, should hand it over as a gift to the election commissioner.
Okay. One other issue that appears to have acquired a lot of at least discussion in this election is this 10% reservation for Muslims demand by Ulema Council. Now there are some leaders in your own alliance like Supriya Sule who says that yes, we have agreed to this, and even Mr. Uddhav Thakere has agreed to this. Is that correct?
I haven't heard Supriya Sule make that comment. Please, I have only...
My colleague Arun.
Let me tell you. NCP has officially, from its Twitter handle, tweeted that this entire NCP acceptance letter is fake. Congress Maharashtra handle has tweeted that the letter being circulated under the name and signature of Nana Patole is fake. I can say as a Shiv Sena office bearer that we haven't received any such letter, any such demand, any such charter of demands for us to even discuss it. It is just their typical idea of dividing and ruling. And they are trying to instigate people, but people of Maharashtra are a lot smarter. They did it in Lok Sabha, and they got an answer for that. They will do it if they try and do this in Vidhan Sabha, they will get a banger of a response soon.
Devendra Fadnavis has always raised this issue of what he calls vote jihad. Today, Mr. Somaiya has put out a tweet saying that the people have been caught in Malegaon doing what they are terming as vote jihad. What would you say to them?
I knew you would be asking this question, because Indian Express had done an investigative story. Out of 38 assembly seats, which has more than 20% voting population, out of that, 20 seats had Bharatiya Janata Party get the benefit of it. So vote share of Bharatiya Janata Party increased in those seats as compared to the vote jihad they are talking about. It's their jihadi mindset which divides people. It's their jihadi mindset which is doing Marathas versus OBC. It is a jihadi mindset which is doing ST communities versus the Danga community. So they can continue to do their same old track. It's not going to work.
Last question on this line. Yesterday we saw the All India Muslim Personal Law Board say that they will be supporting 269 candidates of the MVA. The BJP is saying that this is a sign of the vote bank politics or appeasement politics practiced by opposition.
You know, when Shankaracharya ji had visited Matushri, when he had come to Uddhav Sahab's home, when he came out, he made an appeal to all the voters, Hindu voters, saying that Maharashtra mein adharm hua hai. हमारे हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ अधर्म हुआ है, राजनीतिक अधर्म हुआ है, अब वो धर्म ठीक करना आप सबकी जिम्मेदारी है। उद्धव साहब ठाकरे को फिर से मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है, ये शंकराचार्य जी कह गए थे। पर मुझे नहीं देखा कहीं टाइम्स नाउ ने आकर मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा होगा या कोई और मीडिया चैनल ने पूछा होगा। तो जैसे शंकराचार्य जी पे सबका विश्वास है और उन्होंने अपने मन की बात रखी, वैसे ही इन्होंने आकर अपने मन की बात रखी। इससे वो लोग क्यों तिलमिला रहे हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि हिंदू हो मुसलमान हो ना बटा है ना कटेगा, और वो जानता है कि अगर बटेंगे कटेंगे तो वो लोग बीजेपी को लूटने का मौका देंगे।
लास्ट सवाल तो उससे एटलीस्ट इतना साफ है, यू आर होपफुल दैट मिस्टर उद्धव ठाकरे विल बी द नेक्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र?
Oh, absolutely, because that's the will of the people. It is the will of the people. If you look at all the surveys across the state, they want him back. They want his leadership back. They want his administration back. They want his guidance back. And he is coming back.
Why not announce it then before the election?
So whether we announce it or not, that is secondary. People have faith in Uddhav Sahab. And like Uddhav Sahab said, who becomes the chief minister is secondary right now. What is important is that we have to throw away this Mahajhuti Gathbandhan.
All right, thank you so much, Priyanka Chaturvedi, for taking time out to speak to us. Priyanka Chaturvedi on the campaign trail here in Mumbai and saying that all opposition parties will be united and, of course, hopeful that her party's leader Uddhav Thackeray will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Madhav Gopalakrishnan reporting in Mumbai along with Gopal Vijay for Times Now.